Class 4. Assalamualaikum. I am your computer teacher Mehak Nazir. Today we will study this new book, Oxford Keyboard, Book 4. Open your books, page number 1, chapter number 1, Uses of Computer. Nowadays, computer is useful in our daily life. It is impossible to perform any task without computer these days. Now we will study application of computer in different areas. That is at home, in schools, making films, space technology, offices, libraries, medicine, banks, in designing, shops and hotels, and computer controlled cameras, robots, airline and railway reservation. Now we will study in detail all these applications. Now at home, we will study from scratch. In playing games, listening to music, can do calculations with the help of computer. We can watch movies, and we have catalog for storing address and telephone. We can make budget monthly. Next we have how computer used in schools. Teachers prepare lessons for students like we are preparing for you nowadays. Different styles of teaching, different subjects from the internet, deliver lectures. We can make report cards. On the other hand, students can prepare projects, can learn different subjects, and can make assignments from internet. In making films, nowadays films are very easy to make by animation process. This is a sequence by sequence scenes, how they are created. Like in cartoon films, new technique is used for creating film called animation. It is a method in which figures are manipulated to appear as moving images. Images are painted by hand on transparent celluloid sheets to be photographed and exhibited on film. What is celluloid sheet? It is a transparent sheet on which objects are drawn or painted by hand. जैसे हम कार्टून फिल्म्स में देखते हैं, सीक्वेंस के साथ पीछे सीन्स भी चलते रहते हैं, इसको एनिमेशन प्रोसेस कहते हैं. और सेलुलॉइड शीट आपको इसीलिए दोबारा बता रही हूँ, वो शीट जो ट्रांसपेरेंट होती है और उस जो हम हाथ से पेंट करते हैं, हाथ से ऑब्जेक्ट्स ड्रॉ करते हैं, लाइक मिकी माउस. So like this, images run in series and special effects are added too. Like in cartoons, they use fire, earthquake, battle. All they are scenes, real scenes. They combined with characters. Next is space technology. Computer play major role in contacting and executing commands on a spacecraft. It also predict weather, transfer information from space to computer. All of these calculations are involved. With the help of this, they predict weather. You have heard about space shuttle rockets, which take man into space. These all are controlled by computers. Next we have in offices. In offices, we can maintain records by the help of computer, communicate through emails, typing and printing records, all presentation of reports, proposal in high level offices, storage and retrieval of data. All these work are done in offices with the help of computer. Next we have libraries. In libraries, there are very small database of computer for the available of books. It only keep track of issue and return of books. This is all for today.